guys, what is up? DCS is right back again, and this time it is the Hot Wheels, guys. It's the 55 Chevy. It really looks so awesome. Like, it's actually a matte finish on this car. It looks like the car was just sprayed with primer and just painted flames on that. Like, it's really awesome. I can't wait to unbox this car. So yup, you know the drill. First the unboxing and then the information. So here it comes, guys. Let's open this car. It looks really awesome. So here it is. Crap, guys, look at this car. It's so much beautiful. Wow. Like the flame, the body color is actually lovely. It's awesome. Damn, that color. And with the flame stickering on it, looks like somebody just burned it with primer. Damn, this car is really awesome. And the Hot Wheels logo at the side, it really matches, guys. Like, actually look at it. It's so beautiful. Wow, this car is seriously awesome. The transparent glass, thank God it ain't any other color like the neons or something. But except for the missing headlamps and the fog lamps and the tail lamps is the only thing which this car misses. Rather than that, it's the best. Like, it looks so awesome. So yeah, guys, why don't we go for the information? So here it comes. Okay guys, so here we have come up to the information list about the 55 Chevy. Why don't we start off with the production? The production actually began in 1954 and sadly ended up in 1955. Well, talking about the body style, guys, the body style is a two-door hardtop. Talking about the engine, guys, if you go with the low-end version, you get an overhead cam, which is 3.5 liter inline 6-cylinder. And if you go for the high-end version, you get an overhead cam, which is a V8, and it's a 4.6 liter. Well, yep. Talking about the transmission, guys, the transmission, you get it in a 3-speed synchro mesh manual, or you can go for a 2-speed auto, which is a power glide. Okay, guys, so coming up to the horsepower in the 6-cylinder engine, you get it just 135 brake horsepower. If you go for the V8, you get it in a 195 brake horsepower, which is not putting a lot of difference. Well, talking about the length of this car, guys, the length of this car is 4,953 in millimeters. Talking about the width of this car, the width of this car is 1,854 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the top speed, the major part for the car enthusiast, the top speed of this car is 110 miles per hour, which is 167 kilometers per hour. Talking about the acceleration, the 0 to 60 time, it does it in 10.3 seconds, which is really long. Talking about the price, major people over here, the price of this car is 42,900 if you want it in a non-rusted condition. So yeah, guys, as I've ended up all the informations right here, why don't we go for the special fact? Over here is the special fact, guys. So let's see what it is got. So yeah, guys, so here it tells that this car was the major turning point for the manufacturer and the major success, and as it was there in 3 models, which is the 150, the 210, and the Bel Air. Yes, guys, I totally forgot the review of the Bel Air, the 55 Chevy. That's also kind of like this, but this is kind of like the sedan type. Well, that car looks really awesome. So yep, guys, as I've ended up the information with the special fact, you know what to do. If you are new, just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys, with a new car. Till then, stay tuned and have fun and have a nice weekend. Ta-ta, bye-bye.